Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the machine check exception black screen error you were experiencing on your Windows 11 computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 devices as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Search for Device Manager. Best result should go back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. Double click on the Display Adapter section and right click on whatever adapter is listed under here and select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the manufacturer specific one, otherwise if you only have a generic driver you can select that as well. And then you will select Next. And once that's done, close out of here. Open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, type in SFC followed by a space /scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, and once that's done, close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your error message machine check exception error. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.